Hello everyone, my name is Mari Sundli Tveit and I'm the CEO of the Research Council of Norway, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the initiatives that we have here in Norway towards net zero. The Research Council of Norway has several ongoing initiatives to progress towards net zero. These are efforts that we do by supporting national projects, often including international partners and through international collaboration in Horizon Europe and other European partnerships such as the JPI Climate and Climate Kicks. We also engage in global partnerships for climate and the environment, especially the Belmont Forum. Through our research program on renewable energy, we have invested in research and innovation in a broad approach to develop new energy solutions. We concentrate our efforts on technologies where Norway is likely to make a difference in the race to zero. Built on industrial competence and top research, these are technologies for important solutions like hydrogen, batteries, offshore wind, green shipping and CCUS. Norway has been a pioneer in the development and implementation of electrical ferries, and this is made possible through a combination of Norwegian policy and research and demonstration support from the Research Council and other Norwegian funding agencies. Through our climate program, focus has been set on transition towards net zero, effects of climate change on society and nature, and on the understanding of the climate system and climate change. We're proud to have funded projects promoting excellent research groups that provide results in the very front of climate research. And Norwegian scientists have been highly acknowledged and contribute very actively to the work and results, for example, from the IPCC, and participates in the EU framework programs for research and innovation. Furthermore, projects on climate services, climate adaptation, and projects on societal transition are important in the shift towards net zero and a climate resilient society. Through our calls and through our investments, we manage a portfolio of projects from basic research, giving important input to climate models, to projects resulting in autonomous electric ferries, for example. Norwegian researchers and the public sector and the business community have for many years had great success in the EU framework programs, both in climate research and innovation. One of the main reasons for this is strong national initiatives and strong national programs and activities which match the EU's research and innovation agenda very well. This has served as a good platform for applying for EU grants, and there's been an increase in Norwegian participation in the EU-funded projects in recent years. And this shows us that a high level of competence has been built up in the Norwegian climate research communities. Participation in EU projects in the field of climate provides access to high-quality international knowledge and expertise for the benefit of research and to the benefit of the public sector and businesses. The Norwegian research community has ambitious plans for EU participation and international collaboration in line with the Norwegian government's EU strategy. The solutions to net zero, they're seldom so straightforward. In the last couple of years, we have funded several projects on land use, looking at the impact of different renewable energy solutions on biodiversity. And these projects are often multidisciplinary and have user involvement from non-academic institutions as well. And one example is a project that analyzes changes in wind power licensing in Norway and their influences on outcome legitimacy and pressure on land use change in previously untouched areas. And to reach net zero, technical solutions will not be sufficient. Nature-based solutions take advantage of nature's capacity to absorb and store carbon and are very valuable on the way to net zero. Thus, we also support projects on nature-based solutions. The biodiversity crisis and the climate crisis are intrinsically linked, and the contribution of nature-based solutions to the global climate objectives is pivotal. A better understanding on how the use of ecosystems' natural capacity with minimal help from humans can contribute to carbon sequestration and biodiversity conservation is urgently needed to make use of the NBS operational. Both in our national research and innovations scheme and in Horizon Europe, nature-based solutions will be further tested, deployed, promoted, and their benefits and impacts will be assessed, notably via EU missions and the biodiversity partnership. Physikos, according to nature in Greek, is funded by the EU Horizon 2020 program, led by Norwegian Geotechnical Institute. This project will demonstrate how nature-based solutions provide robust, sustainable, and cost-effective measures for reducing the risk of extreme weather events in rural mountain areas. And last year, during the COVID crisis, the government increased their funding to research and innovation using different kinds of packages. One of these was a large initiative called Green Platform. 1 billion Norwegian kroner was invested in 11 large projects, driving the green transition in Norway. The work towards net zero is an ongoing process, and we sense the urgency of solving the climate crisis through novel solutions. At the same time, we see the value in long-term investments in basic research, and that the solutions may not be what we see as what we as a funding agency have foreseen. So we need to keep that area very open for the unforeseen as well. The Research Council will increase our investments and ensure that we do our absolute best from our part to help Norway reach net zero. Thank you very much.